Did you think virtual reality was just for video games? Not anymore. Pioneer architects are turning to virtual reality so they can walk around the buildings they have designed before the first brick is even laid.
Construction can be dangerous, but virtual training guarantees that apprentices come into challenging situations with experience and know-how. Virtual inspection practically eliminates design errors, putting an end to cost overruns. And finally, virtual reality brings an architect's design to life right in front of their eyes, so they can explore the new space and make micro-adjustments.